Welcome to the Nightingales. Our society is inspired by Florence Nightingale, the belief that knowledge, discipline, and compassion can shape a healthier world.
Every citizen is trained to hear service is an identity, not a job. Education is lifelong. Empathy is expected, and the greatest honor is to guide another person through suffering.
But identity is not the same as equality. In the Nightingales, who you become depends on where you begin.
Our culture is built on the five values: compassion, discipline, knowledge, service, and unity. These guide every action and every institution in our society. Compassion is mandatory. Neglecting someone in need is considered social disobedience. Discipline is reflected over daily routines, uniform standards, and emotional expectations. Education is sacred. Lampposts of public learning centers are open 24 hours a day. Mentorship replaces competition. Service is how we honor life. Every citizen serves in the healing cause in hospitals, shelters, and community clinics. Here, to serve is to live with purpose.
Despite our shared values, not all citizens are equal. Our society is divided by elemental ability. Solaris, fire, rules as the government, elite, aries, wind, advice as scholars, terrain, earth, build and heal. Area, water, support essential infrastructure, and the void bird with no element exists on the margins. Social mobility is possible in a way where occurrence, academic, exam or heroic service. By heredity, ability and social prejudice keep most people in the class they were born into. We believe every citizen deserves care, but does not guarantee power. Education begins in childhood and ends at death. Children learn emotional intelligence before mathematics. Teenagers enter the healing corps. Adults become mentors, guided hands, shaping the next generation. Our learning is experimental. We believe knowledge must be practiced, not memorized. Every citizen keeps a journal of service preserved in the library of life.
The Nightingales are governed by the Solaris. Leadership is inherited, not elected. The Flame Council controls the military. The Elemental Assembly proposes laws, but Solaris decide which becomes real. Law protects stability more than freedom. Punishment focuses on correction, retaining, restricted magic, or removal from service roles. But it is not equal across classes. We believe discipline protects society, but discipline can also limit voice. Even a society built on healing can cause harm when power is never questioned.
Conflict theory. Inequality is built into our society. Elemental ability shapes opportunity, proving that social power is not neutral.
Functionalism. Every class performs a role that maintains stability. The system works but not equally for everyone.
Still more?
Symbol interactions. Uniforms, greetings, and rituals create identity. Symbolism teaches us who we are and who we are allowed to be.
Cultural relativism. To understand our society, we must view choices with context. Culture, history, structure, judgment cannot come before understanding. The Nightingales are built on healing.
But the healing is not simple.
It demands self-awareness, responsibility, and the courage to see our limitations.